Is Instagram cropping your media to a square when you post? I'm Julie Selby with Sandy Social Marketing Training, and in this video, I'm going to show you a common mistake that small business owners are making when they post to Instagram from a desktop computer. We are on Instagram.com here, and on the desktop, we create a post from the plus sign in the bottom left. So let's click on Create, and we're going to go ahead and click Post from here. And from here, this is where you're going to upload your media from your computer. So whether you have created some graphics in Canva, as I have, I'm going to show you here, or whether you're uploading, say, a vertical video that you've created, you're going to click Select from Computer. And you can see here are the graphics I've created. So I'm going to click on this first graphic, hit my Shift key, and arrow over. I've got 10 slides in this graphic. So this is a teaching carousel post for Instagram. I'm going to click Open on the bottom right-hand corner. And as it loads my media here, notice how it's defaulting to square. This is not how I designed these slides. I designed them to suit the new Instagram format, which is a portrait size. So approximately 1080 pixels wide by 1350 pixels height or tall. So here's the trick here is in the very bottom left-hand corner, you can adjust the size here. So you can click Original. So you can see the original size of my media that I intended here, or I could click a 4:5 ratio, same. So once you've clicked that, then you'll be able to actually see your proper size, and it's not sort of auto cropping your media to a square. Now, you might think if you clicked on this little arrow, you could see the next slide, but for some reason that doesn't work that way. So if you want to see all of the slides in your carousel you're about to post, you can click Open Media Gallery here, and you can either click on these each piece, or you can hit this little arrow here to slide, or back on the arrow on the left to be able to see. So you can click on each piece of your media and make sure your slide looks good. If you want to collapse this little guy, you click the squares again here. So this will then show your media how you intended, and then we'll click Next in the top right hand corner, and then Next again in the top right hand corner, and then you'll be at that place where you can add your caption from here. Hello world. Add your caption, add a location, etc. And then you'll be able to click the share function in the top right hand corner.